Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Kohls HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Kohls.com. You will be taken to the login portal of Kohls HR. And over here, enter the username of your account within the username section. Once you do that, enter your password within the password section. After that, click on the Sign In button. You will be logged into your Kohls HR account. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click here Forgot Password to reset it. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Feel free to drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.